again and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a very simple recipe. It's called salsa soup. Salsa chicken soup. Very easy, very delicious and healthy. So just stick around. For your salsa chicken soup, you're going to need chopped spring onions, chopped parsley, coarsely chopped works perfectly, your vegetable oil, your diced chicken, I use chicken breast, minced garlic and onion, lots of it, bell peppers, any color will work fine, 3 to 4 tablespoons of your chicken stock, cabbage, and your white radish or daikon. Now, just because this is what I have for today, I'm using green salsa. If you happen to have red salsa, that will work perfectly too. Let's begin by preheating your stock pot. Put a little bit of oil. When your oil is hot, toss in your minced garlic and onion. Take care not to burn them. Toss in your chicken. You don't need to cook your chicken thoroughly at this time. It will cook when your soup starts to boil. So you can go ahead and toss in your bell peppers. You can do your radish. Smells delicious. Put in your cabbage. And your water. I measured out 1 liter. Now, depending on how much vegetable you got, you want to make sure that you got it covered. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and get another 1 liter just to top it up. Here's my other 1 liter, and just perfect. Cover and let boil. Okay, now it's boiling. So we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken stock.
What's happening?
And we can put in our salsa. Now, slowly boiling. You can go ahead and put in your green onions and your chopped parsley. Turn off your stove. Voila! This is so delicious, guys. Oh, it smells amazing. It's just wonderful. Now it's ready to serve our chicken salsa soup. Oh, I love the greens in there. It's just super delicious. Bon appetit! Till next time!